Good afternoon to everyone and welcome to our devotion. For our devotion this afternoon, we shall appreciate some insights concerning the book of Mark chapter 5. The book of Mark chapter 5 is known as the passage of sorrows. In other words, if someone were to ask you, what is the theme of the book of Mark chapter 5? You must tell them that the theme of Mark chapter 5 is that of sorrow. Why is this passage themed sorrow? It is themed so because of the experiences of men and women that we shall remark on as we come to appreciate Mark chapter 5. When you look into the very first account in this passage, from verse 2, you are introduced to a man who has an evil spirit. And verse 3 informs us that this man had his residence or dwelling in the graveyard. Beloved, you'll agree with me that having an evil spirit and having your residence amongst the dead is a sorrowful experience. The second person that we come across with in this passage of Mark chapter 5, as we are still reading the story of this demoniac, this demon-possessed man, from verse 21 we see coming into the picture Jairus, a synagogue ruler, crying out to Jesus Christ, informing him that his daughter is ailing to the point of death. That too, beloved, having a daughter who is sick, not just sick merely, but sick to a point of death, is a sorrowful experience. And as we are still reading about this man having a sick daughter and watching Jesus Christ taking his journey to the home or to the house of this synagogue ruler, we see coming into the picture a woman who had an issue of blood, who has been bleeding without any interval, without any break for a period of 12 years. That too, beloved, is a sorrowful experience. No wonder Mark chapter 5 has come to be known as a passage of sorrow. But beloved, know and behold that it is not all gloomy in Mark chapter 5. In that sorrowful picture, we see Jesus Christ getting into the picture. We see three individuals having three different problems. One has an evil spirit, the other has a sick daughter, the other has been bleeding for a period of 12 years. Their problems are different. Their problems are not the same. But three of them, when they saw the man Jesus Christ passing by, they identified a common solution. And beloved, know and behold that three of them, regardless of their challenges, they worshipped at the feet of Jesus Christ. Could it be that as you are listening to my voice this afternoon, as you are listening to this devotion, what challenge are you going through? What problem are you going through? Let me tell you, beloved, that problem can never keep you away from the feet of Jesus Christ. Our problems are different. Our problems are not the same. But what remains the same is the solution of our problems, and that is Jesus Christ. Be blessed.